Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Truecaller is up to date and signed into the correct Google or Apple account. This matters because backups link to that account. Once done, make sure your device is on stable Wi-Fi and reasonably charged to avoid interruptions. Open Truecaller, tap Settings, then Backup and Restore. This is the gateway. You're initiating the action now, not preparing later. Tap Create Backup or Enable Automatic Backups, so Truecaller can snapshot your data and contacts immediately. You choose between a manual backup now or enabling automatic backups. Manual gives immediate control, automatic saves hassle later. Tap Backup and select what to include: contacts, call history, and settings, because partial backups can leave gaps. Truecaller uploads to your account, so watch the progress bar and keep the app foregrounded until it reports success. If prompted for permissions, grant them. Without storage or contacts permission, the backup can fail. Make sure the upload reaches 100% before closing the app. You finish by verifying the backup timestamp and the linked account inside Backup and Restore. This confirms a valid copy exists. If you later restore and something is missing, check permissions first. Contacts, storage, and network access must be granted. Also ensure you're signed into the same account. If errors persist, clear Truecaller cache or reinstall the app, then recreate the backup. One key troubleshooting tip: when uploads stall, switch to a different Wi-Fi or mobile data briefly, then retry the backup to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.